they home make all of their, is that a word? Home make? All of their ice cream is homemade. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube, the RV Road Tour edition. And today we have driven the RV all the way across the big pond to Paris. Now that's Paris, Tennessee that is. And we found this really cool place called Sweet Jordan's. This place has an awesome story, awesome owner, awesome family, and I heard they have some of the best chocolate chip cookies you'll ever put in your mouth. So let's go try them out. Come on. Hey guys, I'm here with Jordan. Now Jordan, he's the man. This is Sweet Jordan of Jordan's, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So tell me a little bit about the restaurant.
So this been there 5 years.
5 years, cool.
5 years. We had a lot of special needs dogs.
So you hire special needs adults.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, that's really, really cool. So now what do you do?
Hang out with my girls.
Awesome. Now that's fun. I heard a rumor, now tell me if this is true, that you make a mean chocolate chip cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm going to have to try one of those.
Yeah, kind of. My dad, he got sick, and so me him just tried to make cookies.
You and your dad make cookies?
Yeah.
Trying this right here. Cinnamon roll ice cream. Oh, yes.
If God's will, and then I'm going to find a wife.
If it's God's will, he's going to find a wife. I understand. I read your story on the website, and it said that they only gave you a 5% chance to live when you were born.
Yes.
Man, that's a miracle that God gave you life, isn't it?
Yes. Our God is working as it's touching me.
That's awesome. God's working through you.
God is working on this place.
That's right. That's amazing. All right, guys, Jordan sent us over here to get some chocolate chip cookies and a brownie with ice cream. And so I think that's what we're going to get. So we're going to go up here and see what they got. They've got peanut butter. They've got birthday sprinkled chocolate chip, which I think I'm going to get. Butterscotch oatmeal snickerdoodle white chocolate nut. Look at these cupcakes. They have brownies. They have these little mini pies. Get little bitty cakes. They've got cherry chess squares. And there's a whole counter full of ice cream. So I was just talking to Jordan's dad a while ago, and he said that they home make all of their, is that a word? Home make? All of their ice cream is homemade. It's none of the store-bought stuff here. But he said they really like cinnamon roll ice cream, so they had to make their own. So they came up with their very own recipe of cinnamon roll ice cream, and I say they knocked it out of the park. Got to go for the chocolate chip. Here we go. Chocolate chip cookie. Those are really good. Look how soft they are. Look. Here we go. Recommended by Jordan himself. Oh, wow. Imagine taking a cinnamon roll, freezing it in the freezer, mixing it up with a bunch of goodness. That's what you got here. I think it's so cool that you share your faith. I want to thank you for doing that. That's so awesome. That's such a great witness for the Lord. That's amazing. If more of us could do that, this world would be a better place. Yeah. Sweet Jordan's in Paris, Tennessee. If you're ever anywhere close to this part of the country, make the trip to come here. Sweet Jordan's, some of the best baked goods you'll ever put in your mouth. All right, if you're not a subscriber, doesn't cost you anything. Just click the subscribe button down there. Give us a big thumbs up, like both of those help the channel. And until next time, we'll see ya.